Okay, here we are now onto this wall. As you can see, I've got this socket off completely, pulled it back away from the wall as much as I can. I've got this wall pasted already. I've measured this piece of paper out just to make it easier to work with over where we need to be with it. So we're just going to hang it from the top into the corner. We aren't really following any straight lines with this one. We just need to get this piece into position. I'm going to come into the top of the plug socket, which is just there. I'll make a cut with my standing knife, keep the scissors on board because I will need those. The power on here is literally sat right underneath there, so we need to be very careful. So I've got my little cut there, my little fold, and I'm actually going to pull it away from the wall, away from the socket, and I'm just roughly going to follow that into the top. I'm going to pull that away, move that socket over, and now I'm going to come down the side. Again, just creating that crease in there. And now we're going to I'm just going to get the knife in there, and I'm actually going to cut that further down with my scissors. Just to the bottom of the fold or the crease. Just there. So that's those two pieces. Just trying to get that away from there. We're almost starting to work our way down. Once we have those two pieces there, we may just be able to lift this socket through. But I'm gonna make another crease underneath, and I'm gonna cut that one through as well. Starting with the standing knife, and then just finishing off with the scissors. So we start in there, let's get that going, and then right to the end of that crease. With the scissors. That there should give us more than enough space to work this socket through that gap, like that, bringing us right into this edge. Now we want this piece, because there was a very fine slither just in there. And the same again, create a crease, and we're going to follow that with the scissors. I'm going to come inside of that crease a little bit. The scissors is just a safer option around these electrical wires, so we're not slicing through those. I'm going to make a little notch where that screw goes into there. Get that nice and tight, and that socket will sit back on there nice and flush, even with that paper behind. I won't fix that back on until I've made my trims, and I'm just working the paper all the way down the wall like we've done with the other pieces, and we'll be making our cuts the same as we've done the rest. Now I just wanted to show you how we get around a socket in the easiest fashion.